Welcome back to the yard, guys. I don't know what it is, but I got an idea what the problem might be. I hope that it's not that problem. Hope this is not it, but it might be. It might be that problem that I'm thinking it is. I'm looking at this frame. I can't tell by looking at it, but we probably got frame damage. Yeah, we might have frame damage. If I can't get this fender on this side, then I think we got some frame damage. If we can't get it on, then we may have frame damage. I'm thinking we might have frame damage. Thinking we might have frame damage. I don't know. I don't know, but when this were leaning in this way, like if you pull it down, it will straighten out. So, hope that's not the case. But anywho, we're gonna try this right now. See if it can go on the other side. It couldn't, so if it can't go on this side, guys, then we got frame damage. Frame damage. Click on this side. There we go. All right. Just try it on here. Did it. Did it. See how it looks. Here's it. I'm thinking it's going to do the same thing. I'm thinking somewhere up here we have a frame damage. That's what I think. I hope I'm wrong. Everything that you This is a problem, my friends. This is a problem. This is going to be a lot closer than this. I do believe we got frame damage. Reason why I'm saying that is because you see how low the fender was. The fender was down here. Supposed to be on here. Supposed to be able to screw into here. This screw hole. But it don't even reach up here. It's down here. So, man, what a waste. Man. What to do, what to do. What to do, what to do. And another way I'm saying we got frame damage. Look at this. How it's all the way pushing all the way up there. Look at it. My hand can't even go under there. It's literally pushing up on it. Oh, Lord. I'm just wasting money in this thing, ain't it? Wasting nothing but money. Good old-fashioned money. Getting wasting this crap. Money. See, something about this ain't right either, see? Look at this. I don't think this would be like that. That little scoop. That probably would be flat. 9 times out of 10, that's what be flat. What in the world this truck been through? What in the world did they do to this truck? What did they do to it? It's like they hit a big dirt mound or something. Like the front end just hit a big old dirt mound and went boom, boom, and lifted the truck up in the front. That's what it looked like. That's what I think happened. It hit something and it went boom up on it, and it bent the front end up like that. front end is bent upward. Like upward. That's what I'm thinking. Thinking about getting, but at first I gotta find out where it's bent at, so we can put some jacks under there, lift this whole front end up, and let the front end dangle off the jacks, so we can pull it downward, so it can, for the weight, the engine and everything can push down on it, can pull down on it. Hopefully we can get it back straight, but I don't know. This is, I tell you, man, you gotta watch what you buy from Copart. You gotta watch what you buy from Copart. If this thing got frame damage, they should have listed as frame damage, but I bought a lot of stuff from Copart. It won't say frame damage, but it will have frame damage. This got frame damage, I'm telling you. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I'm getting there. With that being so pushed up, like that, and then when you put the fenders on, that you can't put them all the way up on here like it's supposed to be. And this on the old one's bent up right there, and bent up right there. It's perfect. It's got a bent frame. You got a bent frame. Just don't see where it is. It's bent. Just don't see where it's bent at. That's the problem. Don't see where it's bent at. That's the verdict. I think that's the verdict, but I gotta still do some more research. But I'm pretty sure we got a bent frame. I mean, because it's not noticeable, it might be easy. I guess get it hooked up to the frame machine and pull down on the front end. Pull down on the front end about an inch. Pull it down about an inch or so, and that should do it. But I don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, that's the end of this one. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again when we're back in the yard. God dang it. This junk. This got junk. We'll see you guys. Peace.